Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back. So, without wasting too much of your time, let's just jump onto the analysis. I apologize I couldn't post the video yesterday. I had a lot of things going on, so I was so busy I couldn't make the video. So I decided to make the video today. So, anyways, let's get started. This week is gonna be a funny week because today is bank holiday, and then Wednesday, I think, is also FOMC. Then Friday is NFP. So this week is going to be crazy for dollars. So it is very, very important to take it easy with the market. You do not necessarily have to trade. Just don't force anything and just take it easy, let market settle. And most importantly, this is our first trading week for the year. So we have the new monthly candles, we have the new daily candles, the new weekly candles, the new 4 hour. All candles are new, right? So it is very, very important to let market get its bearing, let market settle down. Don't force anything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyways, what do I have to say again before we get started? So this analysis, I'm gonna go through the analysis with you. I haven't done the analysis yet. I like to do them right with you guys, so you guys, can just pick up one or two the way I look at the chart and also learn from it. So please, disclaimer: these are not signals. These are not ready-made trades. These are not all the setups I'm gonna be showing with you guys are not confirmed yet. They are just my view of the market at the moment. It is possible for market to change bias, direction. So only use this analysis to support your own analysis. Use them as educational content. They are not signals. I'm not telling you to buy and I'm not telling you to sell. Okay, so whatever you like, add to your watch list, just like the way you guys did last week. I shared analysis on EuroGBP. Some of you guys picked up what you like, and some of you guys made money from it. So that's the goal. So learn as you earn. That's the point. Anyway, so let's get started. So I'm gonna make it as short as possible, and then let's see. The first thing first, it's gonna be like I said, it's gonna be a busy week for dollar. So we have Euro USD here, and then like I said, we have bank holiday today, FOMC on Wednesday, NFP on Friday. So you might want to stay completely away from dollar if you want. For me personally, I don't really trade dollar pairs anyway because I don't like the volatility. I like to trade things like Euro NZD, Euro Swiss franc, NZD Swiss franc, NZD card, pairs like that, minor pairs. But for dollar's sake, I'm gonna analyze it. So when I'm looking at Euro USD, I like to check DXY first. Some of you guys probably know um, what DXY is all about. I'm not gonna be explaining that here. But looking at DXY, we have DXY on the daily is moving in an uptrend, right? But before that, let's see. Let me just check the weekly to see what's going on. To be honest, okay, so it's making more sense. So on a weekly time frame, we have a bullish channel, something like a channel, market trading to the upside. Then we have this, right? Market is still trending to the upside, which is absolutely great. So on let me do this here. I'm gonna pick my horizontal ray. Um, I need to watch out for that level. You know, I like to spot out levels as I'm analyzing just in case. So you might want to label it as weekly liquidity area, whatever, right? So it's possible for us because this thing is turning to the upside. We might see a little bit of correction to the downside here. It could be maybe like a retracement to this level here, maybe to this level here. Why do I just look for my tools? I know definitely it's here. Anyways, where are you? I'm looking for a part. So we could see the extension to the downside here for further bullish continuation. So this could give us like a trend line liquidity, a false breakout of the trend line, which is not really a false breakout because it might come to test this level in confluence with this before bullish continuation to this. So what we're doing here is DXY is bullish at the moment, right? So then I should be looking for a sell on EU. So I'm gonna go down to EU to see what we've got. So on a weekly, first of all, we have this double top, right? So when we have double tops, it tells us the sellers obviously are in control. I'm so terrible when it comes to finding to. I'm looking for my arrow down. Okay, arrow down here. Where's the second one? Arrow down here. So we have our double top, the market value to the downside. What happened there? Again, we have like I apologize guys because I'm using my laptop. Break of structure here, a retest, sell. So are you seeing what I'm saying? So we have an impulse move to the downside, a little bit of correction, break of structure here, a retest of the structure, another impulse move, correction. So you guys should know for every impulse move we must have a correction. So we've seen that on the weekly already. Impulse move, correction, impulse move, correction, impulse move, currently correcting itself. Then we need another impulse move to the downside. But because we're on the weekly time frame, we can't really see it properly. So if we go to the week, because we were on the weekly. So if we go on to the daily, we have this. You can see impulse, correction, impulse, correction. We have this as well. You know, I prefer to use this trend line. We have this here, another double top, sellers in control. I'll pick up this 1 and 2, similar to what we had previously. This one on top of here. Then break of structure, retest of it, impulse move, correction. So now market is correcting itself one more time. So this is what we have here. A bearish structure here, right? A wedge or whatever you want to call it, I don't care. But then if we go to the daily time frame one more time, let's see if we can get a proper trend. Let's see. Perfect. Interesting. Great. So what we have here, a downtrend, you know, everything indicating sellers in control. Double top, impulse, correction, double top, retest trend line 200 EMAs, impulse move, correction, impulse move, correcting itself. So you know, on the DXY I pointed out a level here. So similar, we have that same level here, which is our monthly. I normally use red lines for my monthly levels. So if I go on my monthly, you're gonna see that level correctly. You see that. You can see this level here, right? So it is possible for us to see extension to this level here. So let's go to the daily one more time. So we could see a sell-off to this level here, but in order for me to get my sell, I need to see a break of this structure here. Okay, I need to see this bearish structure broken, then my target maybe around here, you know, maybe not, maybe I don't know, but then this is what I've got on Euro USD. So because I've done Euro USD, I'm going to check another dollar pair for you guys, maybe GBP USD or maybe USD Swiss franc, whatever I've got in here in my watch list. So that's what we have on my watch list. We have USD Swiss franc. So I'm going to be looking for a buy, definitely, because dollar is gaining strength, right? So let's check the weekly time frame one more time. Weekly, to see what we've got. Trend line. Right, price rejected my monthly level. So let's see how significant that level is on the monthly. Oh, that's daily. Let's check the monthly. Alright. So from what I can see here, market is already creating series of higher highs. Honestly, I so much don't like analyzing on my laptop, and I'm not used to my, because I've got this big screen, so I'm not used to it. But anyways, market is creating higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. So obviously that's an uptrend already. So, but if I check the daily properly, again, we might have something that doesn't make sense if we look closely. We look closely around here. So if I pick up here, right, we have a level here, and then if I look at this level closely, double top here. So what I'm looking for, so we have confluences already, market structure in an uptrend, market found support around here, rejecting it. Look at this bullish candle. Depending on how this candle closes, I might want to see a pullback, because this is not good for entry at the moment, right? Not good for entry at the moment. So, but I'm looking for a buy. So it's your job to look for how you're gonna get your buy on on USD Swiss franc. So, but everything is still indicating, still crying, buy me, buy me, buy me. We also have another level here, just in case we want to watch out closely. Liquidity gang, whatever. I don't like this, so I'm gonna use this equal highs, right? But anyways, I'm gonna be looking for buy on USD Swiss franc. So let's check what we have on gold. Oh, similar as well. Look at that. I think I've done this analysis before. I just left it this way. You know, impulse move, correction, retest of this level. If we pick up Fibonacci, what do we have? In confluence with 61.8 fib level, right? So we have multiple confluences on this one already. So what I'm gonna do is I can't take a trade right now, so I'm gonna wait for, if I can get a pullback, you know, to get a proper entry, then I'll get my entry and I'll target this level here. So gold as well, up to this level here, similar to what we have on EU and USD Swiss franc. So that is it with that one. Let's see what we have on other pairs. I really want to make this video short because I know a lot of you guys are lazy. You guys don't like spending too much time watching videos, but so I'm gonna make it as quick as possible. Euro GBP, right? So my analysis on this one went okay. You know, if you guys watched the previous technical Sunday, I said here was my point of interest. Then market was around here at that time. Let me show you. Do I have a? I don't know if I have but you guys must have seen the video. Market was around here, so I was expecting price to come to this level. I labeled this level as my point of interest. So market extended to this level, rejected it. I know quite a few people that took the trades. They sent me their results, money they made, they were making, and it's playing perfectly well. So if you're on it, you might want to continue holding. You know, so target here still as you can see, price rejected it with a bullish candle. We have something like a tweezer bottom. Then sellers tried to push to the downside, they rejected it as well. Look at this pin bar. So everything is still indicating a buy. You guys might want to watch out for this level for probably partial take profit, maybe TP1. Then if you get a break and a retest of this level, you might want to scale up to this level here. So that's it with that one. I don't want to go, there's nothing to go deep in there anyway. So NZ Swiss franc, a lot of wicks to the upside. On the daily, I have this lot of selling pressure. Lot of selling pressure around here. Let me just leave it like this, right? So market was rejecting this level, but it looks like the sellers are really in control. So let's go to the 4-hour to see what's really going on properly. If I say break of this level, a break of this structure here, I'm gonna take this out. I'm going to take this out. I'm gonna pick up my trend line. If I get a break of this structure here, I'm gonna go for my sell, right? But if I check the daily, where am I gonna be looking at to target? Initially, I'm gonna be looking at this level here, horizontal ray, right? So I'm gonna look for, if for me to go for a sell, I need to see a break of this structure, like a full body breakout, a retest, or maybe a bearish structure, and get my entries and target here. Because look at multiple wicks to the upside, indicating selling pressure, right? So even if we go to the 4-hour, we should be able to see the trend properly, right? Trend line. Trend line, but then, yeah, I need to be careful with this one because this time I actually reject this level here. It might reject this level and continue, but I'm just gonna be patient to see. I let market tell me what it wants to do. I don't really I don't really like forcing anything. But if I'm looking for a sell here, then I must be looking for a buy here. So depending on what I'm seeing here, and this is currently bullish at the moment, so this should be bearish. What happened? Then this should be bearish, right? So what could happen? We might see market come to this level here, before going for a buy, maybe something like this. Goodness, why am I so terrible looking for something? Oh God, we can't live with this. The thing is, I'm not used to hey, voila. I'm not used to my computer. I'm used to using mouse, but okay, I should have even used my mouse. Oh God. Anyways, so this one, something like this. So let's watch and see how this plays out. Oh, okay, guys. I think that is what I've got for now. I'm tired. I've got other things to do, but I just wanted to check out, to analyze the chart because I promised you guys I was gonna do it. So you guys should just add this to your watch list for now, guys, and maybe on Wednesday I can I'm gonna do a review of the market again, and also show you guys what I'm currently looking at. But right now, these are the pairs I'm gonna be paying attention to, and I'll be looking for my entries on them. So like I said, they're not confirmed yet. I haven't seen my signals yet on them. So once I see my signals, I'm gonna take an entry. And but for now, I'm neutral. And yeah, that is it, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and then I'll catch up with you guys later during the week. And yeah, have a good one, guys. Safe.